Mine is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It was beautiful today. A little on the cool side, about 60. Moved some leaves around. Yeah, a lot of. Wow, that was right there. Yeah, that was right there. Be quiet. Be quiet, narwhal. It's gonna get you. Yeah, it was really beautiful out today. Almost nothing but clear sky today. Hey now, it just started raining about 5 minutes ago with some thunder and some lightning and some more thunder and lightning. Come on, let's get one of those in here. Get the camera pointed at it now. Yeah, the lightning, that thunder and lightning we had was a minute or so apart from the previous one. So I still got leaves to do. Raining again tonight. What the fuck am I gonna do tomorrow? All those leaves are gonna be wet again. Boy, those leaves were wet today, and it really worked out nice. They did blow around, but at the same time, they did a good job of staying in place. Look at this. What a fucking mess. Whoa! Here it is. Hang on. Yeah, that was like a W. Narwhals, nobody's walking around. You can shut the fuck up now. Please, just shut the fuck up now. Uh, Shut up. There you go. It's in now. No? I thought they just brought him in. Oh, I cleaned my gutters today. My gutters were overflowing with the deluge of rain we had the other day. I mean, it was just pouring. Another one. Crazy, that was the whole sky, for Christ's sakes. Boom! Going away already? Shut the fuck up. Shut up! The fuck you barking at, you dumb animal? Jesus Christ almighty. And that's the only dog that barks in this area, because all the other dogs are smaller dogs. You only got one of these monster Newfoundlands. That's it? Just a couple of bangers and that's it? Come on. Shut the fuck mouth. Got that? I'm going in. Get... Whoa. Oh, it's like it's a stereo. The sound is reverberating off something else. Did you guys get any of that yet? Oh, shut up, you fucking mutt. They ain't gonna come get you there. Downstairs, their TV room is in the cellar. And they ain't coming up unless they have to. And I think he's wrapped around the tree. Oh, there you go. There's a good one for you. That one was right there in the middle. Yep, that was a good one. I'm not doing much leaves this year. I'm gonna be all fucking wet. Can I pee? A couple of good ones today, right in front of us. Ah, my freaking word. Shut up. Yeah, oh, lights on over there. They must be changing the dog watcher. No, I'm not watching you. I'm watching the lightning. Oh, it's lightning out? Ooh, I'm gonna go take a shower. Ooh, really getting cool. No more? I guess that's it. Alright, I'm gonna give it, oh, 10, 15 seconds. Let's do that. See if we can get another lightning out there. And if we can't, well, fuck it then. We'll just have to go with what we've got on the video. Oh, fuck! That was right over there by them trees right there. Or, or maybe not. Yeah, I'm under an eave, so it's not really gonna, I'm not gonna get wet. But it was raining so hard sideways yesterday that this whole rug right here, you guys can't see, was sapping, soaping wet from getting pummeled by the rain coming sideways into this front foyer. Was that the last lightning we're gonna get? Let's give it another 15 seconds. Ends. Glad I cleaned the gutters today. Oh, the dog's in. Can you hear it? Yeah, it's not barking because it's in. Crash. Alright, I guess we're in. Because yeah, I'm not going to watch this anymore. There's no battle right now.